All right, morning everyone. So today is the day that I'll be taking the Tesla in for its very first service repair in almost a year of owning the car. We've noticed a little issue with the back right door. Seems to be rattling a little bit. We can fix it by sort of putting the window down for a moment and then putting it back up, but because the car's still obviously in warranty, and if we were to look at selling it, it's something that we definitely want to get fixed. So I thought while we're in Melbourne for the day, I'll take it in. And it was relatively easy to book this service appointment. All of my experiences chatting with the Tesla service team have been amazing. You just do it all through the app, and you can almost like start a chat with one of the service technicians, and you can ask questions. And the last 3 times they've solved everything remotely using like software on their end. This is the only time that I've physically had to take the car in. And they also offer a service where they come out to your house as well. But because we're staying so close to the Richmond facility, I'm just going to drive it in. So I'll take you along for the ride. We'll see how it goes. I'm wondering if they're going to like offer me a loaner car for the day, because they've kind of said they'll need the car for the entire day. So yeah, we'll see. So I'll film it along the way. In other news, this car was parked at Paige's parents last night, and we noticed through the window overnight that the headlights were flashing quite a bit. And this was actually Sentry mode going off. And when I got in the car this morning, 288 Sentry mode events last night. So I think maybe because it was raining, there might have been a tree that was moving. It was just constantly triggering it. So I reckon we probably drove the neighbors mad, as the lights would probably be flashing into their house. So yeah, let me know if you've had this experience before with Sentry mode. This is the second time that we've got into the car and we've had like a heap of events. It's probably consumed the entire USB drive. Maybe they'll find a way to fix that with software if it can recognize that it's not actually like a person or something. I don't know. Anyway, off to Tesla Richmond we go. Alright, so the car has been dropped off. It was an awesome experience. The service team were really friendly, and as you saw, you just drive into this particular area and they take your car, they asked for my key card, they let me know how long it was going to be. They actually gave me Uber vouchers for the day, which was pretty unreal. It means that I can now jump in an Uber and it all goes through the Tesla app, so it's like pretty seamlessly integrated. Yeah, overall phenomenal experience so far, so I'll keep you guys updated. The other thing is, being in Melbourne, it's very noticeable how many Model 3s are around, especially white Model 3s just like ours. I've already seen on the way to Richmond this morning over 10, so they're definitely growing in popularity. Like when you start to see that many and notice that many on the road, yeah, it's crazy. People are obviously loving them, so it's good. Alright, so super cool feature with the Tesla app that I've just noticed is when you open it and your car is currently being serviced, the app changes and it goes into like a service mode screen that tells you the status of your car, if it's currently being repaired, if the cost estimate has changed, or if it's ready to be picked up or payment to be made. And you can just tap on the little chat button if you want to send them any questions or anything like that. Obviously they've sent through these Uber vouchers, which I can just open up, gives me 2 $30 trips today while the car is being serviced. Obviously I can't see the location, I can't, unlock and lock the car. Obviously no Sentry mode, so yeah, all of that stuff is disabled, which makes sense. So dropping the car off at the service center was really easy, and someone came out straight away, greeted me with a laptop, just sort of summarized the issue, asked if I had any questions. Very professional, really easy. I feel as though I probably should address the issue of the rattling. Do we have any quality control concerns with our car? Do we have any quality issues where we feel like the car is not built properly, like a lot of people talk about online with Teslas? No, absolutely not. We think the car is built really, really well. We've had no issues apart from this small one. Yes, if you go around the car with a fine tooth, you can find some panel gaps, but going around our Mazda CX-5, you can find issues. It's just that no one's looking. So I feel like there's this heightened concern with Teslas that, they're built really badly. Our experience is this is the best car that we've ever owned and driven. The attention to detail, the materials, the way that it's been put together, We've had no concerns. We feel like it's a very premium luxury style interior. So I just wanted to touch on that. Yes, we have a rattling issue at the back. Our Mazda, the entire car rattles, but we're not going to go get that fixed. So just to put it into context, I thought I would bring that up. All right, just on my way back to pick up the car now. So let's see how we go. Wow, so this is cool. I was just stopping in a random street to film some footage for the channel, and this young kid comes up and goes, "Hey, are you that guy from TikTok?" And it's always so amazing when that happens because I never expect people to recognize me. But yeah, super nice guy. Harry, if you're watching, thanks for saying hi. And man, it's crazy. Alright, so apart from all my TikTok fans recognizing me, which is still mind-blowing and so exciting, the service went really well. They were able to find out what was going wrong with the rear door. They took the car for a couple of test drives and were able to fix the rattling sound. They said that they just apply like padding, lubricants. I feel like they've dealt with this issue before. Everyone in there was so lovely. I started chatting with all of the staff, even the other customers, like talking to each other in the service room while they're waiting for their cars. You know, it's like, is this your first service? What model do you have? Like, so much of a community. And just doing that whole service experience was worth it alone, apart from fixing like this small issue. It was just super seamless, great customer service. Anyway, it's been a good day in the world of Tesla for me. And if you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Hopefully I can answer some of them. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you in the next one soon.